Hello, today we look at the devices. We have 45 devices at home. So what we do here is to count all available devices and then categorize them. The Care Z spot has another child Z spot inside it which reflects a red background. Others are green. We will also show how we have styled this using a callback function. We create a list with all the device categories and indicate their quantities. We save this list as devices in the state management. As usual, we need a Z view to display our slide. We use a section slot extension in this case. Inside the section slot extension we add a Z list. There should be 3 items per page. Each item in the Z list will be sourced from the list of devices we saved earlier. The Z list is bound to the devices list, so for each device we get the properties and bind them to a Z spot. The distance has been set to 60, this means content will be inside the display area. Each item displays the quantity in white, by applying a white color to a span element. As noted, each category has an indicator that is either green or red. This is created by adding another Z spot inside an existing Z spot. The indicator colors are determined by the category. The care items are classified as red, that could be not working properly, or green as working properly. The callback sets the background color depending on the category.